In medieval India, a dying man collapsed just short of the Ganges River, so the water broke its banks and came to him. His name was Bodhikayasta, an official who worked in a royal court, but he remained completely immune to the endless greed around him. Instead of hoarding his salary, he gave away all his excess wealth, living a life of flawless devotion. In his old age, Bodhi made a final decision. He left his status behind to make a grueling pilgrimage. His ultimate goal? A sacred death on the shores of the holy river. But just a few miles away, his body finally gave out. Unable to walk another step, he tested his lifelong faith and called out to the water from afar. And the holy river actually answered his call. Defying the laws of nature, the Ganges surged inland, absorbing him right where he sat. This miracle was so profound, it inspired a legendary 14th century poem. Videha immortal work, Bod Suk Sar Pawol Tuatieri, wasn't just a myth. It was written as a direct historical tribute to Bodhikayasta and the absolute power of his flawless life.